Welcome back to Explore Error. How to disable your iPhone location tracking. In this video, I'll show you how to stop people and apps from tracking you on your iPhone. First, open your settings. Then, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now select Location Services. Here, you have a few options. You can turn off location services completely by tapping Turn Off. This will disable location access for all apps. You should also tap on Share My Location and make sure it is turned off. This will hide your device in the Find My app, so anyone you've shared your location with, like friends or family, will no longer be able to see your live location. You also have the option to turn off Find My iPhone, but it's usually better to keep this turned on. If your phone gets lost or stolen, you'll need this feature to help recover your device. Another option is to keep location services turned on and only disable it for specific apps. For example, if you want to stop TikTok from using your location, just tap on it and set the location access to Never. So that's how you can stop your iPhone location tracking.